Unlocking the heartfelt meaning of I'm forever grateful. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special and emotional phrase in the English language. I'm forever grateful. Understanding this phrase not only helps in expressing deep gratitude but also enriches your emotional vocabulary in English. So, whether you're learning English as a new language or refining your proficiency, this video will help you grasp the depth and usage of this beautiful expression. The phrase, I'm forever grateful, consists of three main parts. Let's dissect them to understand their individual contributions to the overall meaning. I'm is a contraction of I am, denoting a personal statement about the speaker. Forever implies an infinite duration, suggesting something that is never-ending or timeless. Grateful signifies a deep appreciation or thankfulness for someone's help, kindness, or impact in one's life. Combined, I'm forever grateful conveys a declaration of enduring gratitude, emphasizing that the speaker will always remain thankful. This phrase is used in contexts where simple, thank you, doesn't suffice. It's for moments that have a lasting impact on your life or when someone has gone above and beyond for you. Here are some scenarios. Expressing gratitude for someone's unwavering support during tough times. Acknowledging a mentor's influence on your personal or professional growth. Thanking someone for a gift or gesture that holds significant personal value. When using, I'm forever grateful, it's important to convey sincerity. This phrase carries weight and should be reserved for genuinely impactful moments. I'm forever grateful is more than a phrase. It's an emotional expression that resonates deeply within various cultures. It signifies a bond strengthened by kindness and appreciation that's expected to last a lifetime. Using this phrase appropriately demonstrates not only mastery of the English language but also an understanding of deep emotional expressions and cultural sensitivities. Thank you for joining me today to explore the meaning and usage of I'm forever grateful. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar, it's also about conveying emotions and connections. I hope this video helps you express your gratitude more profoundly and meaningfully in English. Keep practicing, and stay grateful.